handhold them.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today said that the government is working and discussing on the roster system. Speaking to media persons, he said that when the government tries to resolve the issue, it will take all stakeholders on board, informing that an internal meeting will be held within this month. He added that the government would also have consultations on the matter with political parties. Meanwhile, he also said that discussions are on about PDF merging with NPP. He also informed that the second phase of both the talks between Assam and Meghalaya will take place in the month of May.
We need to take all stakeholders on board, and hence the process of discussion and consultation will start. We will be soon calling the meeting. Within this week itself, we'll be having an internal meeting of the government, and it will take some time for us to go through all the documentation paper, the court orders, the proper interpretation of all of that. And after the discussion takes place, we will expand it further to political parties, then we'll further expand it to stakeholders, and then after taking everybody on board, then we will figure out how we should move.